I'm Luciana Moreno Turkovich.
And I'm Chris Turkovich.
And we are in Winters, California.
And this is Turkovich Family Wines. So we started making wine in 2007. We planted our vineyard, started making wine with some neighbors' fruit, opened our tasting room in 2010. Been making wine ever since.
Everything that we produce, we make at the winery. Fermentation, we disgorge. Every single step in the wine that we made, try to showcase our area and try to make it the most in-house possible.
Winters is a small community, so there's just a handful of us. It's a really nice growing region, very collaborative here. The restaurants here really support the local wineries, and so it goes both directions. We send people to dinner, and then they encourage them to buy the wine when we're at the table.
People come over here and they see who grows the grapes, who makes the wine, and our team, they're local, and we're really proud to be part of this community. We try to be really responsible, and we don't use any herbicides, and I'm all focused on new trials, new sustainable things for the wine, and Chris is focused for the vineyard too, and it's always trying to see how can we save and be more green. Every time that you open a bottle of wine, that wine has a meaning. And we put all our effort and love into those bottles.